Are you looking for a typing job online? If you are, then I've got some good news for you. This video is going to help you find that job. There are many companies out there that need people to do data entry work, but it's hard to find them and get hired. The good news is I've done the research for you. All of these websites pay at least $10 per hour and they're free to join. You can start working from home as soon as today. And the best part is these jobs don't require any special skills or training or knowledge. Just your fingers. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I am going to reveal 5 different ways that you can make money online simply typing. Now, the great thing with these jobs is you don't need any skills or experience. You just have to be ready, willing, and able to type fast. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first one is with freelancing websites. You can use websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, FlexJobs, or People Per Hour to find different writing or typing gigs. Now, the great thing is within these different websites, there's a whole bunch of different categories that you can get into. For example, you could be a freelance writer, creative writer, for example. You can be a blogger. You can do simple data entry or be a virtual assistant. There is a number of opportunities and subcategories within the typing or online writing niche. So freelancing websites can be a good opportunity, and you can make as little or as much as you want. There is a woman on TikTok who makes 7 figures simply using Fiverr for freelancing gigs. Now, she is a level 1 writer. She's been writing for a few years now. She has a lot of experience, but everyone starts somewhere. All right, so the question will undoubtedly be, hey, I'm brand new to Fiverr. How do I get any gigs? So what you see right now, I'm actually in the gig creator seller back office dashboard, and I'm going to show you how you can find gigs even if you've never completed one before. So as you can see, I'm in the back office. What you'd want to do is go over to where it says more, click on more, and then go to buyer requests. Now, in order for you to see any buyer requests, you need to have, as it says here, you need to have active gigs. But what buyer requests are is someone like myself that wants content or wants something done for them. They'll create a special gig and they'll allow other people to bid on them. So just to show you exactly what I'm talking about, if I go here and let me switch over to buying real quick. So I switched over to buying. I'm going to go down to manage requests. And so as a content creator, I might want someone to create a logo or write an ebook or something along those lines. So I'll create a new request. Now, if you're looking to start writing or become a freelance writer, you're going to be in the selling side and you're going to go over to where it says buyer requests, and then you can place your bids. Now, what I recommend is that you place your bids $5 or $10, a little bit lower, a little bit less than whatever the amount is. Also, make sure that you read the gig and the directions fully, because in mine, if I jump back and forth here, I'll actually put in there that you have to enter in a certain keyword or keyword phrase so that I know that you're reading it. A lot of times these guys aren't even reading it. They're just applying to it so that they hope that they can get it, and then they'll try and figure it out later. But if I go over to manage requests here, I'll put in the sentence, you must put in something so that I know that they read it. If I hit this, see more, as you can see here, I say, please include 10110K so that I know that people are reading it. And if they're not reading it, it's very obvious to me, because if I go over to review orders, people that are actually entering in the information, they'll say it in the first sentence here. These people all have included it as I requested in the first line there. You'll get people time to time that won't, like this person probably didn't even read it. They just saw the amount that I have this listed for, and then they try to underbid it in hopes that they can get it. This person didn't read it, and so on. But going over to Fiverr and bidding on gigs and gig requests is a good way to get your foot in the door, and it's an easier way to grow your business on Fiverr, and it's much more ethical than having someone buy your gigs for $5 and giving you 5-star ratings. So the first one is actually with freelancing websites. The second one is with actual job search websites. You can use websites like Indeed, Monster, or ZipRecruiter. These websites will have jobs starting at $15, $20 per hour, and you're simply typing. Now, the cool thing with these job search websites is they're going to offer jobs that are completely remote and that you can do from home. and there's going to be a wide range of jobs. You could be a transcriptionist for a law firm. You can work for a hospital, a doctor's office. There are a ton of companies and industries out there that need typists and people that are ready, willing, and able to type. And the great thing is you don't need 10 years of experience. They're going to work with just about anyone because there is such a high demand. As long as you're able to be trained and you are, you work well with others, you can find an opportunity. So just to show you the amount of opportunity out there, I'm just going to type in typing jobs, and you're going to see the top results going to be Indeed and ZipRecruiter. Upwork is here, but if we look here, Career Builder, if we scroll down here, we click on this Indeed one. We could change this to anywhere in the United States or global or work from home, and there is a ton of opportunity. As you can see, within 25 miles, we could change this. Within 100 miles, there's going to be a lot of opportunity to find a job, a typing job. We can type in, we can say data entry job. There's going to be some opportunity to find jobs as well. And then what you'd want to do is obviously change the advanced search. But as you can see, call center, data entry, 1450. There's just a lot of opportunity. Administrative assistant, 40 grand. That's gonna be a little bit more, but there is a lot of opportunity out there. You just have to go out there, find one that you like, and take action. The second one is job search sites. The third one is actually with blogging. Now, blogging is simply picking an area of focus that you want to create content, doing a little bit of keyword research, and writing on that content. Now, you can make anywhere between $0 and 7 and 8 figures with a successful blog. Now, it's key that when you are blogging or writing on your website, that you are writing about content that people care about. You want to make sure that you are engaging, you are open, you're being honest and transparent when it comes to blogging. Now, the great thing with blogging is you can make money in a number of ways. You can make money with affiliate marketing, which is simply recommending other people's products and services. You can actually have ads placed right on your website. And so when people come to your website and they see those ads, you get paid pennies on the dollar, but you still get paid nonetheless. You can also sell your physical or digital products, and people eventually will pay you to guest blog on your website. So blogging can be a very good opportunity. Next is getting hired as a freelance transcriber. Now, you can use a website like Rev, Transcribe Me, or Transcribe to find different freelancing gigs. And the cool thing with these websites is they will work with just about anybody, small and medium-sized businesses, individuals like YouTubers. There are YouTubers right now that will actually hire out or contract out their YouTube videos, and when they get them back, they'll turn them into blog posts, or they'll use the transcription and they'll use it as captions on their video. There's a huge demand for websites like Rev for small and medium-sized businesses, so it can be a very good opportunity. Again, you can use websites like Rev, Transcribed, and Transcribe Me in order to find these different transcribing guides. So let's just recap real quick. We have freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and FlexJobs. We have job search sites like Indeed, Monster, ZipRecruiter. We have blogging, where you can earn anywhere between 0 and 7 figures. And then we have transcription services. The last one that I want to mention is actually you could be a blogger for free. Now, I mentioned before, you can blog on your own website. You could actually use a website like Medium to host your blog, where you're not going to make as much money potentially, but you don't have to spend any money to get up and running. What you could do is you could start blogging on Medium, and then once you start gaining a following and you make a few dollars back with affiliate commissions, you could reinvest that into your own website or blog. There's a ton of opportunity out there, and you can make anywhere between $10 and $35 per hour. Simply type. Now, obviously, the faster that you type, the more you could potentially make. And so you want to make sure that you are maybe taking a few typing courses to increase your speed, which will eventually increase your money. Now that you know the different ways to make money typing, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.